Now everything is fine. Now, guys, network issue is there, but now our code is resolved. Okay, everything will work as expected now. We conclude, we know that where we did mistake. See this here, what where from where this message we are getting, right? But here what we have need to get, we have need to read response message, right? Here in the if else condition, in the success command,
Yes, sir.
right? Here we have need to read what, but what here hard coded, I hard coded, but here we have need to take what in this variable, whatever request will come, means what here what message we will get, here we are getting already data is existed, right? So for that, but what we have need to pass this response only here now, then we can get the message in the HTML, right? Come on everyone.
Yes, yes, Ravi. Yes.
Now our
Yes,
now guys see this. Okay, now see this, in this time our
Yes, sir.
now our application will work. Now every problem we resolve it. Now let's run our application again. Just I'm refreshing this page. Padma, are you there?
Yes, sir. I am
Yeah.
here.
Okay, now see this. Currently now, what is our expectation? If we submit it, right? If we submit it, this form will not submit. See, code cannot be empty, right? Perfect, na? Come on.
Yeah. This is
Yes,
one
sir.
scenario
Okay.
pass.
yes, sir.
Okay, see this. Okay, now mobile. I'm taking the mobile. I'm code just taking A, B, C, right? A, B, C. After then what? Cost 22. After then what? RK. Now this, in this time our code will submit, guys. Okay. Now I'm hitting that. See this
Successfully
means what?
submitted.
Here one product we got, right? Here see this one product is saved now, right?
Yes.
Now
Right.
just
Yes, sir.
now, here what is that? See this code. What
Give ABC again.
here? Just give ABC. ABC. See this message here. ABC already exists in try.
Exactly.
Come on.
Yeah. Can you give?
Yeah,
Yes. Can you
got
give
it.
empty also?
Yes.
Can you give empty?
No, if we give the empty, that code will go. See this code cannot be empty. They are getting this message.
Yes,
Yeah.
Ravi. All scenarios passed.
Now see this ABC. I'm taking now ABC already exists. Means this response we are getting without clicking the create button, guys. See this, we succeeded, guys. After doing this much,
Yes, sir.
Exactly, Ravi. Ravi. Yes. You are. We finally.
Yes.
finally we
Great,
got
Ravi.
it. See this. See this. 1 minute. What I'm
Yes,
doing now?
sir.
Here ABC I'm taking, right? ABC where it is available now in the database, right? In the database available, right? This code. Come on,
Yes, sir.
guys.
Yeah,
Yes.
it is
Yes.
available.
Available in
Yes.
database.
Yes.
But here what we are doing now?
Can you give ABCB?
Yeah, A, B, C, B, we give means what? This is the this data is not there in the
It
database,
accepts.
and even
Yes.
this input is also not empty, right? This input also not empty. Come on, guys.
Yes,
Yes,
Ravi.
sir.
Fine. Yes. Yes.
Now I'm taking the
Yes.
laptop. Here I'm taking the cost 200. Again I'm taking this one, test one, and something. Now it will work. See this, how many record is stored in our database now, guys?
Yeah. Two also saved. Yeah.
Oh,
Right.
2, right? Now here take the A, B, C, B, right? Which one? See this, already A, B, C, B is exist in the database. You want to see this? Come here in the
yes.
database.
Exactly, Ravi. Perfect.
Now, okay, if you remove it, if nothing is there, see this, what we are getting here now, what we are getting now, code cannot be empty. This,
Code can't.
Code.
come on, guys,
Yes, sir. Yeah.
we succeeded.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Ravi. Correct.
Now, guys,
Yes,
Finally,
sir.
we succeeded.
see this much effort we have need. Think about that, how we have need to analyze it, the code, and how we have need to implement in the project, guys. See, think about that.
Exactly, Ravi.
After, but only one thing, we don't, we will not give up, guys. Okay, we will not give up in any case. Think about that. I can give up here also whenever I'm not, our code is not. Think about that, this much code I wrote, right? Again and again I'm modifying the code, but still I said that we will complete it, we will complete it. Finally we completed it.
Yes,
Yeah.
Ravi. Yeah.
Ravi, can you please explain the flow once for that field?
Yes.
I mean, that Ajax flow.
Yes,
Yes.
Because that
Yes.
code is a bit confusing. That's why.
yes, yes, Sudhir. One day, right? One day I will.
Yeah. Yeah.
One day,
Yeah, today.
one day now, one day, 1 minute. Some kids are there here. They are disturbing. 1 minute. I will stop those kids then. Yes, guys. So, okay. So just okay. Now I will give it. Okay. So see this first. I will give the what is our implementation. This see this based on this counter, right? This query. What is that? Based on this query, we can scan that, right? This record is there. If record is there, then what we will get 1, right? If record is there, we will get 1, and if not there, then what we will get now? 0 value. We will get it, right? Come on.
0.
Yes, Ravi, 0. Yes.
So, okay, so see this here only, right? Here only what in the initial time only what we completed ABC. If we are taking here ABC, if we run it, then what counter value we will get 1, right? We are getting, right?
Yes.
Yes, Ravi, we got 1. Yes.
Now, if I'm taking ABCD, means what this variable, this P
One.
is not there, then what we will get now? 0, right? Come on, we are getting 0.
Yes.
There.
Correct.
So
0.
same like come here in our what JPA repository. So what based on that same HQL query I wrote, right? Here what I wrote now, HQL query now. Come on, I hope the who is the completed JPA with me, those people aware about this query, right? Query
Yes,
and how we are
HQL.
writing,
Correct. Yes,
Yes,
Ravi.
right? Come on.
Yes, Ravi. Yeah, we are aware. Yes,
Yeah.
we
So
are aware.
Yes, yes.
okay, so now good guys, so here what we are doing now, come here what we are doing now, after then we are taking the one boolean method. It will check means what we are doing now, here is if product, means what is product is exist by code, right? That code is if exist, then what is that? Its implementation class we are taking, right? Here what we did now, we taken one method, and here only what we did now, that 1 and that 0 we converted into what? Counter variable, right? After then here what I'm checking the condition. If means what 1 will come, means what? True we will get, right? Come on.
Yeah, else false. Correct.
Else
Yeah.
false. Then that one
Scenario.
true means what? True and false I'm returning to our controller now. Okay, our controller here what I did now.
Yeah.
Here what I did now, in the message, in the response body, I packed this message, right? I packed this message in the response body. Come on, in the response body I packed this message. I wrote this validation method. Here what we are doing now, and now from this is the controller. Now come to our what page now, HTML page. Okay, now the main things we wrote in the HTML page only, right? 1 minute registration form, right? So here
Yes.
initially what I did now, I took one in the form, right? Here form tag, right? In the form tag I took one ID. See this one ID. So whenever we will write the logic of what our Ajax, because on submit for that I took, right? After then what, which field, based on this field only we are performing Ajax calling, right? In this field only we are checking only one field, right? So same same things what, yeah, so same things what I'm doing now. So here what product code, right? Product code. Inside that product code what I did is span tag I took, and their message means what, based on this one we are showing what in this variable only we are saying, in this area only we are saying this message, right? Come on. So for that what we did, what we are taking now, one div tag we taken, right? In this div tag we taken what, one span tag. Inside that we specify one ID error. Because of that error ID only we are getting this message, guys. Okay, in this only we are getting the message now. Okay, so but we wrote the logic, where we wrote the logic in the JavaScript to show this message, right? So now after then another one what we did now, here also in the field input field, in the input field what is that, whatever input we are taking, right? Means what, whatever input we are taking, we are, so we have need to hold this input in the variable, right? In the variable, for that also we taken what, here what, one ID. Okay, so now come to here what, our GSP, sorry, script, JavaScript code. So here what, document, we know that, right? Ready in the one function I took. Inside that what I did now, so here error section, by default if we not hide, right, it every time it will show here what, red symbol, code does not exist. Okay, you want to see this? Okay, let's see, let's 1 minute I will show it. So here what I'm going to do now, hide is there na, just take show. Here I'm taking the show method, right? Every time what will happen now? Okay, so now just refresh it. One minute. Every time, oh, okay, code cannot be empty na. Oh no, 1 minute guys. Okay, it's sequential format, the data is going, right? 1 minute. In the here, if else condition I check na, here only I by default it's hiding, right? I'm hiding now. Okay, I here what I did now, I hidden format. I took this message as what, hidden format only. So here what is that, even after then I hold that error message by default fault, because I am taking what, one function, right? And we know that whenever we are declaring the function, it's a return type, because here I'm not taking void type. So what I'm doing now, after performing the all operation, right, all operation, this function for if empty means what is that, whenever we are taking this block, when this block will execute now, if we are taking this area is empty means what is that, we are taking the empty now, we are not putting any data. So at the time this block is executing, in this currently this block is currently we are not putting this message, we are getting now because of this block only, because of this block only we are getting. And here what is that, product code. So and what is that, error HTML code, what is that, this message only we are getting. See this here, what message we are getting now, that message only, right? Come on.
Yes. Code content.
So no, this method is predefined in the JavaScript, guys. Okay. So now after then what, if means what is that, is empty is there by default, then what we make, false. This variable we are making the false only. Okay, means when this succeeded, when our success means what, this condition will true means what, it will check that. Okay, it's checking that it's empty, because of that this block is executing now, guys. After then what, else condition. Here what I'm making now, in else condition, whenever our what, every condition will satisfy, then else block will execute. In this what I'm doing now, here ajax call I'm calling, right? I'm doing dollar symbol dot ajax. So here what, URL of controller, right? Controller what, URI I'm calling, and the data I'm storing, what is that, this data means what is that, whatever data we are putting here, that data, right? That data we are holding in this variable, right? See this in this variable, and this variable we specify here, and in that what is that, ID we taken product code only, right? See this here, what ID we taken for the input, product code. See this product code only, right? Come on.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So
Yes.
That can be anything, Ravi. Like we can change the name also.
It can be anything.
yeah, it's in these things we
Okay,
can change it, but you know here what is that, see this, whenever we are putting the data, it will hold in this variable. Okay, so here we are reading that, and we are holding in this val value, right? So after then here what I'm doing now, after holding that success function, I'm calling with the response, right? Response, if response not empty, if response not empty means what, so that, and here this response I'm passing this HTML, and this message is we are getting from the controller class. And here what, and the last time what I'm forgetting now, so we submit on the submit event we are generating now, but we are forgetting to what, whenever we are putting what on the browser, what, this message. So the one call also will go, right? One call based on this function, right? We are making one call every time, synchronous call, right? Or synchronous be call, because of this method, key up function. So I'm calling this function in this method, right? In this function only, what is that, this function I defined, right? This function I defined, and this in this method, sorry, in this function I'm calling. That's it, nothing more than else.
Ravi, what is key up? Key up.
Sorry.
Key up.
Key up, right?
Key up.
Key up, na? Key up to generate, what is that? Key up is what? To generate link with action event, right? Link with what action? Here, what we are doing now, whenever we are doing anything, one action will happen, right? Right? Come on. One action is happening.
Yes.
So for the key up action event, this is called what? Whatever data we are putting here, whatever data that will, that data will become key, And what is that? After then it will, what is that? Synchronous, asynchronous way. It's making the request to our controller. For that we are using what? This key up method. This is the key up method.
Okay, okay, Ravi.
In the Ajax concept, this key up method is there. Based on this one, we can make it. Okay, so if you want to learn, see this in the front of you only Ajax call, right? So see this JS Ajax. From here only I read those things. Okay, so just go through this documentation in the w3school.com only, right? Whatever, see, whatever UI to I learned to design it, right, from the W3C only, because you know this one is too much easy to understand here. Okay, if we prefer any website, other website, you know, there what they are writing I also not understanding, but here, right, the if we go through that one day, we will read one step and we will implement it. After then we will learn. Then if you and then you also will become expert only, like that, like this only I'm learning, guys. Okay, nothing nothing extra things only.
Okay, okay.
Whatever UI
Okay.
concept, whatever UI concept I learned from the W3C only, right? Except that I did not follow any faculty any, because in my life, you know, from any teacher I did not took like what training to for the UI. Whatever UI I learned myself only.
Oh,
Initially, I was, when I was doing the job in the like Hyderabad, at that time just 6 months, 6 to 5 months. I took classes in Amirpet, except that I left those faculty, right? After then I left those faculty because you know the company pressure as well as everything is increased, right? So that time onward I did not getting the time to do the classes, because you know morning to 6 just namesake 6 p.m, right? Just namesake if we are entering the company, we don't know when